Mr. Stoica? I recently met with a friend of yours in Japan. Kenji Nakajima.
I don't know who that is.
Well, he knows you. According to him, you back-channeled a meeting because you had something to sell. You didn't want guns.
Pull up Agent Graves' file.
You wanted cash, and lots of it.
I can help you, but this is a two-way street. I heard the two of you discussed a file. Canary Black.
Is this Agent Maxfield's idea?
Look around. I'm the friendliest face in here. So why don't you tell me about the file, and then I can help you.
Fuck you, you American cunt.
Fuck you!
Shit!
I'm taking out the file. Where is it?
What the hell are you doing? You don't pull that shit from my detainee.
Improvising. We good?
You just killed your career, Agent Graves! Fix him up.
Go ahead.
Get me Station Chief Hadley.
Okay.
She has the file! Lock it down!
Hey, stop! Grace, stop! Don't move! Don't move!
Agent Graves! Only way you're leaving here is on a stretcher. Put the knife down.
Not happening, Maxfield. Read the room.
Open the door. Open the door.